Hello guys and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can send fax messages on your Redmi Note 12 Pro Plus. So at the start you have to open the Play Store, then look for the fax app. Choose one of them. I was using the Easy Fax. Add the permissions to the camera and do the files if necessary, okay. Now tap on the plus and choose the source of your document. I'm gonna pick something from your gallery, like this one. Of course, you can select more than one picture. If you're ready, click import. Add the shape to the document. And go. Now you can choose the filter for your photo to make it more visible for your receiver. You can also add a signature, text and graffiti by these icons. If you're ready, click accept. Type the number in this place. And choose the country from the list. Now you can give a small note here. If you want to add more documents, click on the plus and do it like before. If you want to send only this one, click on this button and buy your credits, and that's it. Thanks for the watching, leave us a subscribe and a comment, and goodbye.